Hello, this is a quick tutorial video on how to navigate through the Servilink app to make your payments easily and also book appointments for your visitors. First, you log in into the app through the registered email and password. And just in case you forgot your password, this is how to generate another. Press on Forget Password, input your registered email and click on Send Code. A code will be sent to your email where you can have access to change your password and then log in. Once you are into the app, you will see this dashboard. Here in the power segment, you can check your history of the last token generated. To pay for power, first you need to click on the service fee button and select the number of months you are paying for. This would lead you to the pay stack payment where you can pay with your card or rather transfer. Once you're done through the processing and payment has been confirmed, then you can go back to the dashboard and press on power where you can input the amount you are paying for and also be able to check the history. To book appointments for your visitors, right on the dashboard, you click on Visitor Center button. Here you follow through by entering the name, phone number, date and time, and lastly the number of hours the visitor is to use. A code will be generated and you can share this with your visitor through WhatsApp, message, or any other sharing platform. Lastly, below the screen, you can press on Profile where you have options of emergency contacts, change of password, phone number, about of the app, and also log out of the account if you want. This is the end of the tutorial and I hope this has been detailed enough. Thank you.